everybody. Very warm welcome. Am I audible and visible, guys? I'm so sorry. Extremely sorry. There was a technical glitch. Hi guys. You can see me, right? Yeah, finally, amazing. Okay, so there was a great technical glitch in the studio, and that's why I'm not able to take, my studio was booked. I was supposed to take the session from studio, however it did not work out, and that's why I'm taking the session from here right now. So how are you all? Very good evening. Quickly go and call up your friends also, let them know that I am live, and today we are going to do some of the easiest JEE chapter and easiest chemistry questions which we can do even if we have our mind absolutely empty. Yeah, okay, so what do you all say? Are you all with me? I'm good, Vishal. Hi Kalpana. Hello Hari's Ideas. Hello, very good evening, and a warm welcome to Vedantu JEE English channel. This is me, your master teacher Nabamita Bhattacharya. So let's begin with our easiest chapters. However, now that you all are here, do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment, and let me know if you are liking the sessions that I am taking here. Okay, so let's begin with the very easy topics. Yes, the easiest topics or the easiest chapters in chemistry for JEE level, or how do I say, for JEE syllabus, the easiest chapters are biomolecules and chemistry in everyday life. Yes, this is one of the easiest one. Surface chemistry, solid state, environmental chemistry, metallurgy and polymer. These 6 chapters are super easy, and if we do this 6 chapter, guess what? Guess how many marks we are going to be able to get? 6 4s are how much? 4 5s are 24, 6 are 24. See, I am so bad in mathematics. 24 marks, guys. 24 marks, absolutely sure. Yes, you will be getting 24 marks, absolutely sure, no kidding about it. I promise that you will be able to get all the 24 marks if you study these chapters. Okay, yes, is organic most important chapter? Bacha, organic is a whole chemistry part, right? Organic is not just a chapter. General organic chemistry is a chapter, and yes, it is important. Yes, 24 marks in the bag basically if you do these chapters. And there are basically short questions, right? Every year there are questions that are asked from these chapters. So let's begin. What do you all say? Are you all ready for the first chapter? First question, guys. First chapter. You don't have to just practice with me. You will be able to get it. Super easy, pretty simple, pretty easy questions, guys. It's basically just continuously you can write EPBT in the chat box because easy peasy. Biryani is tasty, and the first question on your screen. So you have to match the list 1 with list 2. You tell me. Have you done metallurgy? This question is from metallurgy, everybody. Yes, tell me. What do you all think? This is from metallurgy, guys. Let me know. What do you all think? Yes. Yes, I know it is boring. That's why we are not going to read the chapter. We will directly solve the question, isn't it? We will directly be solving the question. So, guys, mercury is used in, I hope you all know this. Mercury is used in distillation refining. Copper is used in electrolytic refining. Yes. Silicon is used in zone refining. And nickel is used obviously in vapor phase refining. That is what we already know, which means that A, 2, B, 3, C, 4 and D, 1. That is option C is the correct answer. Make sense or nonsense, everybody? Have you read this? Have you read this? Have you read this chapter? If you have read this chapter, and if you haven't read this chapter, no problem. What you need to do is just go to YouTube. Okay, just go to YouTube, my dear student. Yeah, go to YouTube like this. Once you go to YouTube, what you can do is just go to Vedantu Enlight. Like right here, I'm taking a session, as you can see. Yeah, just go to this and then go to videos. You will find a session this. Just go through this session. Everything is taught here, and check it out. In just less than 1 hour, in just 46 minutes, I have completed the whole of metallurgy, guys. Please check it out. I promise it will be really helpful for you all. Okay. All right. Yeah. Okay. Moving on from here then. Let's go to the next question, guys. And the next question is once again very simple, very easy. The question is on your screen. Which of the following is true about ozone layer? You read it and you will be able to answer this, because this is, oh my god, it is something that we have read in our very lower grades, my dear student. We don't have to even think about it. Tell me. It is harmful because ozone is dangerous to living organism. It is beneficial because oxidation reaction can proceed faster in the presence of ozone. It is beneficial because ozone cuts off the ultraviolet radiation of the sun. Or is it is harmful because ozone cuts out the important radiation of the sun which are vital for photosynthesis? What do you think? Very good. Aditya, Kalpana, Yashasvi, you guys are the fastest ones to answer. Well done. What is the correct answer? The correct answer is option C. Yes, it is beneficial. Ozone layer is beneficial for us because ozone cuts off the ultraviolet radiation of the sun and it protects us, right? It protects us. That's what we know, right? That's what we know. Okay. Moving on to the next question. Tell me composition of azurite mineral is. Guys, you have to remember that azure, okay, the name, the word azure actually means blue. Okay, azure actually means blue. And we have seen that this word siderite, malachite, or what was it? Siderite, malachite, and then there was which one was it? Calamine is different, but siderite and malachite, if you see, ITE is the word that is usually used for carbonates, right? It's used for carbonates. So azure is blue. Blue is which metal is blue in color? So copper. Carbonate, so definitely CO3, right? And azurite, it has to be present in what? It has to be slightly basic. So that means that option C is our correct answer. Don't you think so? Option C is our correct answer. 2CuCO3.CuOH2 together. Okay. Copper carbonate and copper hydroxide, yes, together is your azurite mineral. Got it? Clear? Okay. Do remember it. Everybody. Don't forget it. Okay. Moving on to the next question, guys. Eutrophication causes reduction in... Oh, come on. It cannot be easier than this, isn't it? It cannot be easier than this. Tell me, guys. Tell me. Eutrophication causes the reduction in dissolved hydrogen. Very good. Absolutely right, guys. It is dissolved oxygen. I mean, of course. Can it be easier than this? I mean, if this comes in your exam, you will probably go like, wow, really? This came up in the question? This came up in the exam? But yes, sometimes it does. Okay. Chalo, moving on to the next question. Tell me. An Lingam diagram provides information about what? Lingam diagram provides information. You know what? Lingam diagram is very easy. Don't worry about it. Just read the option and tell me. The conditions of pH and potential under which a species is thermodynamically stable? Not at all. The temperature dependence of the standard gives energies of formation of some metal oxides. Okay. Now, if we want to really know about a Lingam diagram, think about it, guys. Think about it. How does a Lingam diagram look like? Chalo, let's check it out. A Lingam diagram. Let's check out a Lingam diagram and you will be able to understand the concept, okay? Check it out, guys. Check it out. What is a Lingam diagram, yeah? Where do we have? Yes, there it is. See, temperature in Kelvin, and what do you have here? Delta G naught. That means that our option B is the correct answer. Standard gives energy of formation of some metal oxides. Yes, some metal oxides. That's it. Once again, this is from metallurgy. Yes, once again, this is from metallurgy. And if you just want me to tell you something, check it out. Here what is happening is, see, 2 MgO is here, and at this point, see, at this point they are mixing. Okay, at this point, basically at this temperature, okay, at this temperature what will happen? It will swap. 2 MgO, this is your magnesium oxide and this is your Al2O3, okay? Al2O3, both of them are going, but then they are intersecting. After intersecting, now what will happen? Whatever they were able to do, like let's say that MgO was able to reduce Al2O3, now it will be ulta. Now Al2O3 will be able to reduce magnesium oxide. Got it? Got it? That's it that the Lingam diagram says. I know that whenever we look at Lingam diagram, we think that, oh my god, what is this? We can't understand. It's very difficult. It's very difficult. But guess what? Lingam diagram is actually very, very easy. Let me also show you one more thing that, you know, in the past also, a student of mine had asked, ma'am, Lingam diagram you haven't taught. But let me show you that what Lingam diagram means, okay? You check it out here. Let me show you. Let me show you here. A student has asked me, see, all said except Lingam diagram. I have doubt in this. So I have written it here also. Lingam diagram is very easy. See, an Lingam diagram is a graph that shows the temperature dependence of the stability of compound. The lower compounds in the graph can reduce the upper ones. So what did I say? Magnesium oxide will be able to reduce Al2O3, will be able to reduce carbon monoxide, will be able to reduce carbon dioxide, but the moment they intersect and there is a change, what happens? Now Al2O3 will be able to reduce magnesium oxide. That means at this temperature, at around 1500 some Kelvin, after that, aluminium oxide will be able to reduce magnesium oxide. Got it, guys? Is this clear? Is this clear? Very easy, very simple. Yes, very easy, very simple, guys. With proper with proper explanation I have taught you. Yes, this you will all be able to do, right? So the pressure and the rest ones are obviously absolutely wrong, right? This is the correct answer. Got it, guys? Am I clear? Can I have some la 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 in the chat box? Everybody, did you understand it or not? No one is selling anything. You guys are not interacting. Why? No problem, Sandeep. It's okay. La la la. Finally. Finally. Thank you. Thank you. Nice. Okay. Alright. Moving on. Next question, everybody. In the context of the Hall-Héroult process, for the extraction of aluminium, which of the following statement is false? You tell me. Al3 plus is reduced at the cathode to form aluminium. Na3AlF6 serves as the electrolyte, does it? Carbon and carbon dioxide are produced in this process. Yeah, we know that. Al2O3 is mixed with CaF2, which lowers the melting point of the mixture and brings conductivity. This also we know. That means that yes, absolutely right. Option B is the wrong one. Option B is not correct. Got it? Clear hai? Clear hai, my bachcha log? Yeah, awesome. Thank you so much. Now, moving on. Which of the following is not a herbicide? Oh, come on. This is your call, guys. You tell me what is the answer. You tell me what is the answer. Which of the following is not a herbicide? Sodium chlorate, sodium arsenate, phosphate, and triazines. Tell me. Vikas, how did you figure that out, bacha? Aditya, you are absolutely right. Dinesh Kumar, absolutely right. Experimental science, amazing. Phosphate, yes. What is phosphate? Phosphate is a fertilizer. Phosphate is a fertilizer, isn't it? We all know that. We have studied in a very, very, very lower grade. General knowledge, yeah. General knowledge, guys. Phosphate is a fertilizer. Okay, moving on. The maximum prescribed concentration of copper in drinking water is, you tell me, 0.5 ppm, parts per million, 3 parts per million, 5 parts per million, or is it 0.05 parts per million? Okay, tell me. Herbicide, yes. Herbicide, you do not know? Herbicide, weedicide, insecticide, pesticides, we have read about them, no? Yeah, that's what we're talking about. Tell me. Sahiti, very good, absolutely right. Aditya is again right. No, Sardar, and no, Kalpana. The correct answer is 3 parts per million, okay? The maximum prescribed concentration of copper in drinking water is 3 parts per million. Okay? Alright, moving on to the next question. Extraction of copper by smelting uses silica as an additive to remove. What does it do? Extraction of copper by smelting uses silica as an additive to remove. You tell me. No, it's actually option C. It's actually option C, FeO. Let me tell you, okay? Let me tell you. Let me show you here. See, 2Cu FeS2, okay? Plus 2SiO2. Yes, FeO is the gang. Very good. Plus 4O2 will give us what? It will give you Cu2S plus 2 FeSiO3 plus 3SO2. Okay. So FeO is the gang. Okay. This is the gang. This is the gang. Absolutely right. Okay. Alright. Option C is the correct answer. Well done. Well done. Clap for yourself, guys. Clap for yourself. Very good. Well done. Moving on to the next question. Which of the following is a set of greenhouse gases? Which of the following are greenhouse gases, guys? CH4O3. Yes, makes sense. But methane. Methane is a greenhouse gas. Nitrogen. Nitrogen to anyway is there. No, how can nitrogen be a greenhouse gas? That means this is wrong. O3N2 once again not possible. O3NO2 SO2 Cl2. Really? CO2 CH4 methane is a greenhouse gas, absolutely. N2O is also a methane is also a greenhouse gas, and O3 is also a greenhouse gas. That means option D is the correct answer. Okay, option D is the correct answer, my dear student. Got it? Clear hai? Yep. Yes, they increase the temperature. Absolutely right. These are the greenhouse gases. Moving on. Among the following, the incorrect statement about colloids is, they can scatter light? Yeah, they can. We all know that. That's general knowledge, right? They are larger than small molecules and they have high molar mass. Yeah, that is also true. The osmotic pressure of a colloidal solution is of higher order than the true solution at the same concentration. Really? Why would that be? Why would that be? This is the one that is incorrect, okay? And the range of diameters of colloidal particle is between 1 and 100 nanometer, that we already know, right? Here is the explanation as well. Statement C is incorrect about colloids because colligative properties such as relative lowering of vapor pressure, elevation and boiling point, depression and freezing point, and osmotic pressure of a colloidal solution is of lower order than true solution. We have read about this. Remember, in the chapter solutions, we read about this, that the colligative properties are what? They are lesser. They are of lower order than the true solution always at the same concentration. Correct? So this makes sense, right? Option C is the correct answer. Yeah. Moving on to the next question. Which property of colloidal solution is of independent of charge on the colloidal properties? My dear student, you know what? I'm going to give you 10 seconds. How about you go ahead and think? Go ahead, think and tell me. Yes. Go ahead, think and tell me. Yes, 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 yes. Go, 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 go. Come on. Also, guys, please like the video, yeah? You're not liking the efforts that I'm making. Huh? Huh? Come on. Like the video. No one is liking the video, guys. Vedantu won't understand that I'm not... Vedantu will think that I'm not a good teacher, huh? Then you know what will happen to me. Sanskar, because no one is deducting my money for overacting. That's why. You want to deduct some money? No, no? Yeah. So let me teach the way I want, okay? I like to teach that way. So that at least students will be a little engaged. They won't find it boring. That's why. Yeah? Okay. Very good. The correct answer is the Tyndall effect. Yes. Which property of colloidal solution is independent of charge on the colloidal particles? The correct answer is Tyndall effect. Yeah? Got it? Thank you so much. Amazing. No problem, Rex Knight. Absolutely. Okay. Absolutely. Thank you, Nagalakshmi. Chalo, moving on to the next question, guys. The next question is, Which one of the following forms micelles in aqueous solution above certain concentration? Okay, once again, very easy, guys. I think you will be all able to do it. Come on, tell me. Watching the chat box here. Hi, Playash. How are you? Very good evening. Jaswant. Now, think about it. Aditya, very good. Screen is out of focus. No, I can watch myself. I can watch myself pretty well. Huh? JEE Mains exam postponed? No, not at all. No, bacha, it's not blur. I can watch myself. You know what? Just go to the top right hand side, top right hand corner of YouTube. Then what you need to do is click on that circle kind of thing and change the quality of the video to advanced. Okay, you will see that everything has changed. Yes. No, bacha, it's not blur. Jaydeep, please check it out. I think there is some issue with your internet. The correct answer is option A, my dear student. Dodecyl trimethyl ammonium chloride is the one that forms micelles in aqueous solution above certain concentrations. Okay, got it? Clear? Okay. My mobile phone is which model? My mobile phone is OnePlus 11, guys. It's OnePlus 11. Okay. Yeah. Thank you, Nivedita. Thank you so much. Now clear? JEE city intimation, I don't think so, bacha. It will be there in your admit card only, okay? When you get the admit card, that time it will be there, okay? All right, moving on to the next question. Position of non-polar and polar part in micelle is, you tell me, polar at outer surface and non-polar at inner surface, or is it polar at inner surface and non-polar at outer surface? Distributed all over the surface, or is it present in the surface only? You tell me. Come on. You tell me. Come on. Go. Hi, Anirudh. How are you? Welcome. Very good. Those of you who are answering option A, yes, you are absolutely right. It is option A. It is option A. We all know this, that what happens? Yes, the polar head is towards the water, whereas the non-polar tail, they clump together and they form the clumps basically, right? They clump together and they can hold on to the dirt, right? Yes, they can hold on to the dirt. Very good. Okay. Everybody remembers this, no? I don't think there is any trick that you require, isn't it? Just remember that the head. If, let's say that if you are in a very crowded place, what will you do? You will keep your head on the top, isn't it? You will keep your head on the outside because you don't want to get suffocated with all the carbon dioxide. The same way, remember that the polar head is outside. Okay, the polar head is towards the water. That's what you have to remember. Cool. Moving on to the next question. During dialysis, what happens? Only solvent molecules can diffuse. Solvent molecules, ions and colloidal particles can diffuse. All kinds of particles can diffuse through the semi-permeable membrane. Solvent molecules and ions can diffuse. You tell me, what's the answer? Hi Shrinu, thank you so much Shrinu. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I would love to see you again and again. Thank you so much. Thank you so much Nivedita. Nivedita is an easier one. Thank you so much. Sanskar, I have completed my masters from Mysore, and then I completed my research fellowship from IIT Guwahati, bacha. Of course, I am comfortable. I am comfortable speaking about my college. Why won't I be? I mean, I'm a teacher. In case of a teacher, everybody wants to know the credentials. So yes, that's my credential, guys. I have completed my masters. I am an MSc, B.Ed and research fellow from IIT Guwahati. Okay. That's about me. My mother tongue is Bengali. I speak Bengali. I speak Assamese. I speak English. I speak Hindi, and a little bit of Spanish. Okay. Hi Sneha. What a beautiful name. Okay, very good. Okay, some of you are answering. During dialysis, the solvent molecules and the ions can diffuse. Okay, option D is the correct answer, my dear student. Option D is the correct answer. Okay, moving on to the next question. Yeah. Which one of the following statement is correct? You tell me. All amino acids except lysine are optically active. All amino acids are optically active. Really? Are they? Are they? You tell me. All amino acids except glycine are optically active, or is it all amino acids except glutamic acid are optically active? You tell me, guys. You tell me. Thank you, Sahiti. What's your inspiration to become a teacher? You know, I actually always wanted to be a teacher or a scientist or an academician. I always wanted to be these. I never wanted to be an engineer or a doctor. Somewhat I did not want to be I never want to be that mainstream person. I always thought that engineering, too many people become engineer. And doctor, I mean, that's what parents keep telling you, right? You can either be a doctor or you can be an engineer. You can either be a doctor or you can be an engineer. So I was kind of repelled by that idea that no, what everybody is doing, I don't want to do that. I don't want to do that. So that's why I wanted to do something different, and I think I became a teacher. That's why. Very good. Why not an entrepreneur? Because you have to still pay the bills, right? Till the time you become a proper businessman, who is going to pay the bills? So that's why. Where is your full hair? I sold it off. Okay. I sold it off. Anyway, guys, what's the answer? The answer is all amino acid except glycine. Glycine is not optically active, but all amino acids except glycine are optically active. Okay, this is the correct one. Okay, moving on. In both DNA and RNA, heterocyclic base and phosphate ester linkages are at. Okay, this is also very easy, guys. You can do this. Tell me. You can do this. You can do this. Scope for biotechnology. Hey, the scope for biotechnology is a lot actually, and currently biotechnology is a booming industry. So you can definitely give it a go, my dear student. Biotechnology is really booming. It's taken the whole pharmaceuticals a lot ahead. So yes, go for it. If you're getting a seat, please go for it. Okay. Yes, bacha. Inorganic mostly comes from NCRT. So for inorganic, I would suggest that you go through this thing. Go through NCRT more. Okay. Yes, BS degree is good. No doubt about it. Okay. Bacha, aerospace engineering is definitely good, but trust me, it's tough. Okay. So if you think that you will only be flying here and there, no, there is a lot of mathematics and a lot of physics. So if you are good at mathematics, sure, go ahead with it. But if you are not very good at mathematics, then I would say that take something else. Okay, opt for something else. Can you tell this question structure? Yes, I will. So in both DNA and RNA, the heterocyclic base and phosphate ester linkages are actually at the C1 and C5 respectively. Let me show you the structure. This is the structure. Okay, in DNA and RNA, heterocyclic base and phosphate esters are at C1 dash, and that means at C1 you can see this is the heterocyclic base here, and at C5 here is the phosphate ester. Okay, here is the phosphate ester. All right, so that's it. This is the structure that you have to remember. This is the structure that you have to remember. Okay. How much we have to score? You know what, Poona? Tomorrow a session of mine is coming where I will be telling you about the safe score that you can get for any JEE or for any IITs or NITs. Please do watch it. Okay. Please do watch it. Chalo. Moving on, guys. Next question. Tell me, amylopectin is composed of beta D glucose C1, C4 and C2, C6 linkages. Or is it alpha D glucose C1, C4 and C2, C6 linkages, beta D glucose C1, C4 and C1, C6 linkages, alpha D glucose C1, C4 and C1, C6 linkages? Tell me, bacha. How much marks? Balaji, I will tell you all of it tomorrow. Okay, tomorrow there is a session that is coming. Please do watch it. Please do watch it. Okay. I'm cute without the specs, but what to do if I get headache? Cuteness is more important, or saving my eyesight is more important? Saving my eyesight, definitely, right? Also, you are coming here to study, not to see if I'm cute. Additional, definitely. Value added, but you're still coming here to study, so study. All right. Yes, Suhasini, absolutely. I mean, 83.84, not a bad one, not a bad ranking. However, you definitely need to improve, okay? You definitely need to improve, okay? Sanskar, I'll tell you all about it, Baja. Tomorrow I will tell you. I will record the session and tomorrow you will be getting it premiere. So I think 7 o'clock, tomorrow 7 o'clock you can watch it. Yeah, tomorrow 7 o'clock. Tomorrow 7 o'clock I'll give it to you. Okay, so guys, amylopectin is composed of alpha D glucose C1, C4 and C1, C6 linkages. Option D is the correct answer. You want to know the structure? Here is the structure that you can check it out. Okay, in the solution I'll be giving you the PDF, so don't worry. You can check it out, okay? Yeah. Okay, moving on to the next question, that is alpha D glucose plus alpha D plus glucose and beta D plus glucose. You know that what it is, right? You tell me these are conformers, epimers, anomers or enantiomers. Tell me. This is almost about to end actually. Maybe in another 10-15 minutes. Another 10-15 minutes, okay? Very good. These are what? These are anomers. Right. You guys are absolutely correct. Huh? Clinical clear it seems. Awesome. Moving on to the next question, guys. Statement 1. In any ionic solid MX with Schottky defects, the number of positive and negative ions are same. Equal number of cation and anion vacancies are present. What do you think? Statement 1 is correct. Statement 2 is correct. Statement 2 is correct. Acha, cancel this out, okay? And statement 2 is the correct explanation. That's what they say. Statement 2 is the correct explanation. Tell me. Team Dragon, that's a great pickup line, but guess what? I'm married. So, thank you, but no thanks. Try it on someone else. Chemistry, no, not so tough. It's fine. Okay, the correct answer, my dear student, is of course option A. In any ionic solid MX with Schottky defects, the number of positive and negative ions are same. Equal numbers of cation and anion vacancies are present. So statement 1 is the correct statement. Statement 2 is also correct and statement 2 is the correct explanation of statement 1. Absolutely right. Okay. Moving on to the next question, guys. The arrangement of X minus ions around A plus ion in solid AX is given in the figure, not drawn to scale. If the radius of X minus is 250 picometer, what is the radius of A plus? What is the radius of A plus, guys? Come on, let's see. Come on. Let's see, everybody. Go ahead. Is it 104 picometer? Is it 125 picometer? 183 picometer? Or is it 57 picometer? What do you think? Dinesh is saying D. No. Aditya, you are right. You are almost giving all the answers correctly. Yes. Very good. Option A, 104 picometer is the correct answer. How do we calculate? Chalo, let's talk about it. So the arrangement represents an octahedral void, right? This speaks about an octahedral void. See? Yes, this speaks about an octahedral void. Okay. So that means that R cation divided by R anion, it's supposed to be 0.414, right? So A plus divided by X minus will be 0.414, right? Yes. Okay. So that means that now A plus we have to find. So 0.414 multiplied with X minus, and we already know that it is 250 picometer. So 0.414 into 250 picometer is this. That is 104 picometer. Okay. Very good, guys. Very good. Moving on to the next question. A crystalline solid of a pure substance has a face-centered cubic structure with a cell edge of 400 picometer. If the density of the substance in the crystal is 8 grams centimeter cube, then the number of atoms present in 256 gram of the crystal is n into 10 to the power 24. The value of n is, what do you think? There are no options, guys. So come on. There are no options. So come on. Go. Yes, Nivedita, I'll definitely help you with EM-set. Don't worry about it. EM-set will also come up. Yes. Come on. Calculate. I'll give you time. Calculate. Yes. Go. although the calculation is there. How should I go with inorganic? Vivek, inorganic, I have pretty much given you all the mind maps. Please go through those mind map videos at 1.5x and I think you will be able to do it, okay? Not that hard. Solid state video, I haven't made it, but I'm sure that in the channel Wasim sir has made it. Please go check out Wasim sir's video, okay? Please check out Wasim sir's video. Okay, you think it's 2? Let's figure it out. The correct answer is yes, 2 into 10 to the power 24. How do we calculate? See, 8 gram centimeter cube is already given to us. So 8 is equal to Z into M divided by obviously NA, Avogadro number, into A cube, right? Now 8 is equal to 4 into M. You will put the values. Once you put the values, you know that M, capital M is equal to 76.8 gram per mole, which is yes, which we have just calculated from here. And then finally, once we have calculated, we get 2 into 10 to the power 24. Okay. All right. The calculation is also here. You will get it. Please check it out. Yeah. Please check it out. What is the class at 9 p.m.? The class at 9 p.m. will be the, what was it? The top 10 chapters of physics, chemistry and mathematics for you to be able to clear it. Okay. The top 10 chapters that have been repeated the most amount of times. Please check it out. Yes, Sandeep, please check it out. Okay. Moving on to the next question. What is the coordination number in a square close packed structure in 2 dimension? In 2 dimension, guys, in 2 dimension. Tell me. Very good. The answer is absolutely right. 4. Yes, the answer is 4. Okay. Moving on. Which of the following is a network solid? Oh, come on. Do we even need to answer this? Of course, it's option C, diamond, isn't it? And with this note, my dear student, we have come to the end of the session. Don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends, and thank you so much. If you want to stay in touch with me, you can also follow me on Instagram. That is Nabamita_Nobita. This is my Instagram account. Yes, you can follow me and we will stay in touch. With this note, everybody, tada, bye-bye, and I will see you very, very, very soon. By the way, how to connect with us on the Telegram channel, let me tell you that also. We have a Telegram channel where I will be providing you with this notes as well. So basically, if this is our, yes, this is our, basically this is our, what you say, this is our session, right? Now in this session, what you have to do is just click on the show more part. Okay, click on the show more part and you will see that here is our Telegram channel. Okay, here is our Telegram channel. Just click on the Telegram channel. You will be able to log it. You will be able to see our channel. Just join in and I will be sending you the notes there. Okay. All right. With this note, tata, bye-bye everybody. See you soon. Tata, bye-bye. Bye.